Hello, welcome to another trade recap. This is FMOC Wednesday, July 26th, 2023. We'll be going over a couple clips with the main focus on the depth of market, or the DOM, the tool that you see right in the middle of the screen. For those that are unfamiliar with the DOM, it is a tool to see the live action auction between buyers and sellers real time. It's what creates the highs and lows of the candles on your candlestick charts. The program that you see is powered by Jigsaw. We do have a discount code, 10% off LKS10 if you are interested. Link down below. And before we dive into the clip, we're going to briefly go over the market context as to how price got to where it is currently. So as soon as the news hits, so we're going to start where my mouse is, you can see this. This is where the wick, this is where price initially made its first move lower underneath 15,543. It took out these adjacent long stops before making its way to these adjacent short stops. So you can see price right now 15,602, and we're currently sitting in the upper region of this price area. Before I start the clip, I want you to know a couple of things. The first is going to be price action. This is going to be the pace of the tape. Second is going to be how the interaction of the buyers and sellers are, the bids and offers, the blue and the red column are, and the velocity of how price is transacting. And so far, so good, right? You have every time it's getting pushed down, it's met with buyers, bids. It's still holding price. Threes are bid. Now it's trading fours. And now watch what happens when it trades into fives and sixes. It's kind of met with this mini roadblock, right? You still have the bids kind of pushing, but now there's a little mini ceiling kind of met at sixes, right? And so all I'm paying attention to is how strong of an offer or seller is this person, right? So this is sixes noted. Now watch what happens. You start to offer underneath 600s. Not too much excitement to bring it back up into the upper realms, right? Just retested 600s and just kind of met with a couple offers. Nothing too heavy yet. You still have the bid reloading, but now you're starting to see that offer kind of follow, right? This is what you want. This is what I'm looking for. And you can see I did get in at 9.8, have a stop at fives. And now you're not seeing that same excitement from the bids, right? You're seeing this offer coming in here at 9.3s. You can see every time it's very subtle. Every time it kind of gets pushed into 9.3s, it's kind of met with offers, right? Now all I'm paying attention to is one, long stops, two, the velocity of the downward pressure. I want to see it accelerate. And three, every time it kind of has a little bounce up, you want to see that offer follow. If it starts trading back up higher and higher, this is something to pay attention to, and I may be in the wrong trade. You can see that very subtle jab at sixes, that mini roadblock we saw at the highs combined with the context got us all the way down back to 80s, right? We're just following the pace of the tape. Kind of getting a little stuffy here at 7/8. You're seeing a little of that reloading again at 8.2s. And I did kind of fast forward here a bit. After a couple minutes or so, we had kind of a retest at 7.2. I did fast forward a couple minutes. You can see we've sold off around 36 points from when we first identified the seller at the highs. This is one of the many ways of using the depth of market in relation to other trading related tools. I hope you learned something today. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. So I can learn how to